Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a Mailchimp account for email marketing campaigns and audience management, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration and initial setup. Step 1. Visit the Mailchimp website at mailchimp.com and click on Sign Up Free to begin creating your account. Step 2. Enter your email address, create a username, and set a strong password that meets Mailchimp's security requirements. Step 3. Confirm your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to your inbox. Check your spam folder if you don't see it immediately. Step 4. Provide basic information about yourself and your business, including your first name, last name, and business name. Step 5. Enter your business address and contact information. This is required by email marketing laws and will appear in your email footers. Step 6. Answer questions about your business to help Mailchimp customize your experience. Indicate your industry, business size, and whether you have an existing email list. Step 7. Choose your Mailchimp plan. The free plan allows up to 500 contacts and 1,000 monthly email sends, or you can select a paid plan for more features. Step 8. Complete your profile by adding your business website, social media links, and a brief description of your business purpose. Step 9. Set up your first audience by clicking Create Audience. Enter your audience details, including a list name and permission reminder explaining how people joined your list. Step 10. Familiarize yourself with the Mailchimp dashboard. Explore the campaign builder, automation tools, and template library to start creating your first email campaign. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.